elasticity of demand coefficient examples. Remember from our previous discussion, there are 5 steps in figuring out the income elasticity of demand coefficient. Number 1, write down the formula. That's extremely important. Number 2, you do use negative numbers when figuring out income elasticity of demand. Number 3, fill in the original numbers first. As you go from one income to the next, start with the original income, and then when you go from a change in quantity demanded, go from the original. Number 4, fill in the other 2 numbers next. Those are the change in income and the change in quantity demanded. If your income elasticity answer then is greater than 0, it's a normal good. If it's less than 0, it's an inferior good. Let's look at an example. If individuals' incomes go up from 30,000 to 40,000 and the quantity demanded goes from 1,000 units up to 2,000 units, is the product a normal good or an inferior good? Remember to plug in the formula. The income elasticity of demand is the change in quantity demanded divided by the original quantity demanded, the starting point, times the original income divided by the change in income. So let's look at this example. The original income is 30. The original quantity demanded is 1,000. The change in quantity demanded going from 1,000 to 2,000 is 1,000, and the change in income is 10,000. So when you multiply this out, you have 30 over 10, which is equal to 3, and so this is a normal good. The reason it is a normal good is this is a positive number. Let's look at another example. If individuals' incomes go up from 30,000 to 40,000, but the quantity goes from 2,000 to 1,000, is the product a normal good or an inferior good? Remember to plug in the formula. The original income is 30,000. The original quantity demanded is 2,000. The change in quantity is negative now, going from 2,000 to 1,000, so that's a negative 1,000. And the change in income, which is positive, going from 30 to 40, is 10,000. When you multiply this out, you have a negative 30 divided by 20, and you get a negative 1.5. Since this is a negative number, you know that the good is an inferior good.